Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Cooking. Today I'm going to make delicious vegetable biryani for 5 to 7 people. For that we'll be needing around 8 to 10 potatoes, and 1 cup of green peas and some carrots. And here I have some capsicum and French beans and some onions and around 1 kg of yogurt. We'll start by putting all the vegetables into a container, and then so that we can mix it. I've added potatoes and now carrots, and it follows by capsicum and the French beans, and lastly but not the least, green peas, and then fried onions, the most important part. And for the spices, I have red chili, salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and garam masala. And then I have raw spices such as cardamom and a bunch of coriander and green chilies and cinnamon sticks and star anise, etc. Now I'll start by putting some red chili. And then we'll follow it by around 3 tablespoons of salt. As I've said you, it's for around 5 to 7 people, so it's huge. You can change the recipe according to you or according to the amount of people. We'll be adding around half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Around 2 tablespoons of garam masala or all spice mix powder. And now in goes the raw spices, which includes like all the cardamom, cinnamon, and anything like raw bunch of green chilies and a bunch of coriander and mint leaves. And now we'll be adding the yogurt. After adding this, we are going to mix it properly. We need to mix it gently and slowly so that the vegetables does not break, because the vegetables are very much fragile once we have fried them. So we need to mix it delicately. I have added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that it gets the nice aroma and the color. And now we'll stir it a couple of times, and then we can move on to the steam water. Now I have kept here water for steaming so that we can cook rice in it. I have added around a bunch of coriander, mint, some green chilies, and some raw spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and star anise. And here I have kept eggs for boiling, around 7 to 8 eggs, which we will be using for garnishing or for using as side. Now our water has boiled. We'll be adding the rice into the water slowly. You can add it by a spoon so that the water does not splash. Once we have completely added, we are going to stir it 3 or 4 times. We are not going to stir it vigorously, otherwise the rice can break. We are going to stir it gently. And now I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of oil so that the rice cooks perfectly and the grains did not stick to each other. And now our rice is done. It should be nearly 80% done for the vegetable biryani, because we are not going to cook for that time in the steaming process. Now we are going to arrange or assemble everything. First I'll add the rice, which is 80% cooked. And now we'll just slightly tap it And then we'll start by putting the garnishes, which includes, this is orange color, which orange color I have mixed in a little bit of water, and we are going to just swirl it around. And now I have here lemon juices of 2 medium-sized lemons. We are going to sprinkle it so that it coats evenly. And now here I have around 1/4 cup of oil. We are going to spread it again evenly and across the rice. Here I have a bunch of mixed herbs, which includes coriander and mint, which I'm going to use as garnishes. After doing this, we are going to steam it. We are going to add garam masala also. And now we are going to rotate it while steaming so that it cooks evenly and nicely. We have completed one turn. Now we'll keep it in middle for around 5 minutes on low flame. Our biryani is ready. Yum, it smells delicious. I wish you also could smell it. And now let's check. As you all can see, our biryani is ready. Now we'll plate it. You can plate it as I'm doing or your wish. I have plated it like this. You can serve it with some coriander and yogurt dip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.